This is a Bryant Evolution System 3-ton heat pump from 2011. It is brand new practically. This is a Bryant Evolution System 3-ton heat pump from 2011. The model is 285 BNA. And I believe it is a single stage because my best friend's Bryant heat pump has the 2-stage designation on the little medallion here. This one just says heat pump. My friend's says 2-stage heat pump, so I think this might have a 2-stage or a single-stage scroll. And this just turned on. These are all heat pumps running in cool mode. It's not that hot right now, but still warm enough to warrant having the central air on. And that is a 2006 Bryant Preferred Series heat pump. And my camera is acting very screwy. I gotta get it in for service tomorrow. The battery is being held in with a bent paper clip right now. And this is the third time I had to redo this video.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.